We are very thankful to the jury for their thoughtful consideration of this case, and we are very happy with the verdict.
We've said this time and time again when we do try drunk driving cases is a lot of times people call them accidents, and they're not accidents. Drunk driving cases are not accidents, just like this isn't. We use traffic accidents as too broad of a term. This was not an accident. And so to have 4 victims and the families and all the community affected, that, like I was saying in closing, is insulting to them to say it was an accident. There was nothing accidental about this. What the jury and I discussed with them was the fact that very few crimes are completely caught on camera. So there really wasn't one thing that they looked at. They did their best to try to thoroughly give the defendant every benefit they could, and they couldn't find it.
As soon as you saw those videos that we had, you can clearly see he's intending to run from the police. And when you look at the law, you look at the black letter law, he knew. And you could tell that from all of those videos. You know, we've been talking to these families since almost right after this happened, and it's a process, and you know, this is never going to bring anybody back. It's never going to heal. It's never going to erase any of the memories that any of our citizens and victims and witnesses went through on this case, but it's a closed chapter for them, and that's one thing that they don't have to worry about anymore, that justice has been served, and now they can move on and heal without having to think about this.